Have you ever updated Capcut and instantly regretted it? Maybe your favorite feature disappeared, your projects started lagging, effects stopped working properly, exports became slower, or the new interface is just making editing harder instead of easier. What if I told you that you can go back to your old Capcut version without downloading anything from the internet? That's right. If you've ever installed Capcut on this computer before, there's a good chance the older version is already stored on your system. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to find it and restore it safely in just a few minutes. Whether you're trying to fix crashes, performance issues, missing features, compatibility problems, or you simply prefer the old version, this method could save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's get started and bring back the Capcut version you actually enjoyed using. So first, let me show you the version I'm using at the moment. So let's go to Settings, and let's click on Version. And as you can see from here, I'm using the current version at the moment, which is version 8.7. So you might have updated your software to the latest version, and now having issues like lag and freezes, missing features or some features now broken. Then, I am going to show you how you can revert to the previous version you were using to fix all these issues. Now, let's close this window and minimize Capcut, then let's begin the steps. And also, watch till the end of the video, because if you miss any step, it might not work. First, open your Explorer folder, so go to the taskbar and open this folder. But if you don't have this, you can open any folder on your desktop. After your File Explorer is opened, now come to the left side of the folder, look for this PC, then open it. Now that this PC is opened, now open your local disk C. You might have multiple disk compartment. Just look for local disk C and open it. Now inside local disk C, look for the user folder and open it. Inside the user folder, open the folder with your PC name, and mine is my PC, so I will open that folder. Inside my PC folder, look for App Data folder and open it, but if yours is not available, then this is how you can find it. So come and click on the View tab right here, then come to the Hide or Show section. Now click the Hidden Items box. And right after you check the Hidden Items box, App Data folder will show, so look for it and open it. Inside the App Data folder, open the Local folder. Now, inside the Local folder, look for Capcut's folder and open it. And inside the Capcut's folder, open the Apps folder. Now, inside the Apps folder, you will find all the previous versions you've used on your PC all here. So, Capcut save all older versions on your PC when you update your software, and as you can see, I have 3 versions here. So, I want to revert to version 6.0, so I will open that folder. So, look for the version you want to revert to and open that folder. Now, press C on your keyboard and it will take you to the Capcut exe file for this version. After locating your exe file, there are a couple of things you can do here. First, you can pin to taskbar, create a shortcut, or drag it to the desktop to make it more easier when you want to open it. And after opening Capcut, you will see it has an older interface. And if I go to Settings and Version, you can see I am now using version 6.0. And now after reverting to the older version, you will have this issue, not able to open your projects, and for that, I will put the link to the video to fix this issue in the description. See you in the next video.